Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Hayward pump lid is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining a clean and efficient pool. This video will dive deep into the Hayward pump lid, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a top choice for pool owners. We'll cover everything from its durable construction to its easy installation, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Get ready to discover how this simple lid can make a big difference in your pool's performance. Number 5. Hayward LX Pump Strainer Housing SB1516. This is a replacement strainer housing assembly. It is designed to replace the original part on your pool pump. This assembly includes the housing, basket, and lid. This part fits Hayward PowerFlow LX above ground and PowerFlow 2 self-priming pool pumps. Make sure it is the correct part for your pump model before purchasing. It is easy to install. The housing is made of durable ABS material, ensuring long-lasting performance. This material is resistant to the harsh chemicals found in pool water. It will serve you for a long time. The assembly includes the housing, basket, and lid with O-ring. This provides a complete solution for your pump strainer needs. It is a direct replacement for the original part. It features a 1-to-1 2-inch FIP inlet and a 1-to-1 2-inch MIP outlet. This ensures proper water flow and compatibility with your existing plumbing. It is a perfect fit. What we like. This assembly includes everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. Made from durable ABS material, it's built to last. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution to get your pump running smoothly again, you should consider this. What people say. The lid fit perfectly. The product was exactly what I needed. It was a perfect fit and easy to install. Number 4. Hayward SPX 3100D Strainer Cover Replacement. This is a replacement thread strainer cover. It's designed for select Hayward Super 2 pumps and chlorine-bromine feeders. This part ensures your system runs smoothly. It fits various Hayward Super 2 pump models, including the SP3000 series and the SP3000X series. This cover is a direct replacement for a range of pumps. The cover is also compatible with Hayward chlorine and bromine feeders. This part helps maintain the proper function of your feeders. Installing this replacement cover is straightforward. It's designed to fit perfectly and get your system back up and running quickly. This product weighs 10 pounds. It's a durable and reliable component for your pool or spa system. What we like. This thread strainer cover is designed for a secure fit and is compatible with multiple pump and feeder models. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you have a Super 2 pump or Hayward feeder, this is a great choice. What people say. The lid fit perfectly. The new lid is much better than the original. It was a perfect fit and works great. Number 3. Hayward SPX 1250 LA Strainer Cover Replacement. This is a replacement strainer cover for your Hayward MaxFlow pump series. It is designed to keep debris out of your pump, ensuring it runs smoothly. This cover includes a gasket for a secure fit. This cover fits several Hayward MaxFlow pump models. This includes models like SP2805X7, SP2810X152, and SP2800X series. Make sure it is compatible with your specific pump model. It also works with the SP1800X pump series. The models include SP1800X5, 1805x7, 1807x10, 1808x10, 1810x15, and 1811x15. This offers a wide range of compatibility. The package includes a gasket. This ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and maintaining optimal pump performance. The gasket is essential for proper function. The product weighs 9.8 pounds. This is a durable and reliable replacement part. It is built to last and withstand the rigors of pool maintenance. What we like. The included gasket ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks and maintaining optimal pump performance. It's designed for easy replacement, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install strainer cover, you should consider this. What people say. The lid fit perfectly. The new lid is much easier to remove and replace. It is a perfect replacement. Number 2. Hayward SPX 3000D Clear Strainer Cover Replacement. This is a replacement strainer cover for your Hayward Super 2 pump. It's designed to fit several SP3000 series models, ensuring a perfect fit for your pool equipment. The cover is compatible with various Hayward Super 2 pump models. These include SP3007, EAZ, SP3010, EAZ, and more. Make sure it matches your specific model. It also fits SP3000X series models, such as SP3005X7, AZ, SP3007X10, AZ, and others. Check your pump's model number for compatibility. The cover features a clear design, allowing you to easily see inside. This helps you monitor the strainer for any debris or clogs. This replacement cover weighs 13 pounds. It's a durable and reliable component for your pool pump system. What we like. The clear design allows for easy inspection of the strainer basket, helping you identify and address any issues quickly. Made from durable materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of pool operation. If you like to keep a close eye on your pump's performance, you should consider this. What people say. The lid fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product was exactly as described and arrived quickly. It was a perfect fit and easy to install. Number 1. Hayward Northstar Pump Strainer Cover Replacement Kit. This advanced strainer cover replacement kit makes caring for your pump easier than ever. It's designed to simplify maintenance and keep your pump running smoothly. Crafted from sturdy black plastic, it provides robust protection for your pump. This ensures the pump's longevity and dependable performance. The transparent strainer cover allows you to easily monitor your pump's inner workings. You can quickly identify any issues and maintain optimal performance. The kit includes an O-ring for a secure, leak-free installation. This eliminates any guesswork, providing peace of mind. It also includes a sleek black lock ring, combining dependability and elegance. This enhances both the function and appearance of your pump. This kit fits a range of Hayward Northstar pump models, ensuring adaptability. It's compatible with various models, providing a versatile solution for your needs. What we like. This kit features a transparent cover for easy monitoring and a sleek black lock ring for added security. The transparent design allows you to quickly check for debris. If you want to enhance your pump maintenance with a user-friendly design, you should consider this. What people say. The lid fit perfectly. The new lid is much easier to remove and replace. The lid is a perfect replacement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.